Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Rani, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Wear mask while coming out. Wash your hands frequently. Okay. Hope you all are safe. Now we will move on to the video. Today we are going to learn our second lesson book back exercises. Okay, second lesson book back exercises we are going to learn. Okay, the first exercise we see in our book is in our second lesson book back. Okay, first exercise is fill in the missing letter. Fill in the missing letter. Okay, first one is palm top. You can see here palm top. Okay, palm top. PAMPALMTOP. Palm top. Okay, PALMTOP. Palm top. Okay, then the second one mainframe. 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 Then the third one is portable. Okay, PORTABLE. 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 Okay, then the fourth one is laptop. 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 Okay, then the fifth one is manipulation. Okay, manipulation. 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 Okay, MANIPULATION. Manipulation. Okay, these are the 5 missing letters will be there in the first exercise. Okay, you can just copy it and write in your book itself. Okay, then we will move on to the second exercise. Fill up the dashes. Okay, fill up the dashes. 1 minute. Yes, first one is microcomputers are portable in size. Microcomputers are portable in size means they are very small. Okay, portable in size. Okay, which are portable in size? Microcomputers. Okay, mainframe computers can perform several millions of instructions per second. Okay, mainframe computers can perform several millions of instructions per second. Means in a second they can transform millions of instructions. That it means at a time many people can work with a mainframe computer and all will pass some instructions. All the instructions would be passed. Someone would be doing calculations, someone would be writing something, someone would be playing music, someone would be taking printouts. Everything can be manipulated in a mainframe computer all in one stretch. Okay, in a single time. That is mainframe computer special. Okay, so mainframe computers can perform several millions of instruction per second. Okay, then see the third one. Supercomputers are faster and expensive. Okay, what is a supercomputers? They are more faster, very faster, and since because these computers are faster, they are very expensive too, very costly. Okay, so which one is faster and expensive? If ask you, what you will answer? Supercomputers. Okay, supercomputers are faster and expensive. Okay, then we will move on to the fourth one. Computers are classified based on their dash and dash. Computers are classified based on their size and use. Okay, computers are classified based on their size and how they are used. If it is used in home, and if it is used in school, and if it is used in some other workstations. Okay, so depending upon the usage and depending upon the size, the computers are classified. Okay, then the fifth one, mini computer is a combination of both micro and mainframe. Okay, what is mini computer? Mini computers are the combinations of both micro and mainframe. Okay, altogether it is called as micro and mainframe. Okay, these are the fill-ups would be given as a second exercise in your textbook. Please copy it everything in your textbook. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Name the four types of computer. What are all they? Microcomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and supercomputer. Okay, just repeat along with me spellings. Microcomputer, micro, micro. Computer, computer, computer. Microcomputer, micro, micro. Computer, computer, computer. Micro, micro. Computer, computer, computer. Then mainframe computer, main, mainframe, frame, frame computer, computer, computer. Mainframe computer, main, main, frame, frame, frame computer, computer, computer. Okay, which is mainframe computer. Mini computer, what is the spelling? mini, mini computer, 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 which is mini computer. Then the next one is supercomputer, super, super computer, computer, computer. Okay, one more time, super, super computer, computer, computer. Okay, I hope you all are repeating with me, so that if it is class we will do the same. So in the same mode I am asking you to repeat, at least in this manner you will by heart with me. Okay, then the next one, write a note on supercomputer. Okay, write a note on supercomputer. About supercomputer, what we have learned? We learned it is very faster and expensive. Since because it is faster, it is very expensive. Okay, supercomputers are fastest and expensive computer. Okay, supercomputers are fastest and expensive computer. Okay, what is the spelling for fastest? fastest, fastest. Okay, fastest, fastest. What is the spelling for expensive? expensive, expensive. expensive, expensive. expensive. Okay, so this is how we have to read. Okay, then the third question is, name the three types of microcomputer. What three types of microcomputer? What are all they? Laptop, notebook, palm top are the three types of microcomputers. Okay, laptop, notebook, palm top are the three types of microcomputers. Okay, what is laptop? laptop, 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 laptop. What is the spelling for notebook? notebook, 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 notebook. Okay, then what is the next one? Palm top, palm top, palm top, palm top, palm top, palm top, palm top are the third one. Okay, are the three types of microcomputer. These three are types of microcomputers. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? What is mini computer? Mini computers are the combination of both micro and mini computers. Okay, mini computers are the combination of both micro and mini computer. Okay, they are the combination of micro and mini computers. Then write about the mainframe computer. Okay, write about the mainframe computer. What is mainframe computer? Mainframe computers are very large and powerful and expensive. Okay, mainframe computers are very large, powerful and expensive. Okay, it is very large, powerful and expensive. Okay, spellings. Mainframe. What is the spelling for mainframe? MAINFRAME, mainframe. Okay, MAINFRAME, mainframe. Okay, then large. What is the spelling for large? LARGE, large. LARGE, large. LARGE, large. Okay, then what is the spelling for powerful? POWERFUL, powerful. POWERFUL, powerful. Okay, what is the spelling for powerful? POWERFUL, powerful. Then what is the spelling for expensive? EXPENSIVE, expensive. EXPENSIVE, expensive. Okay, so this is how we will move on to the next one. Up to the previous slide, the question answer sessions is got over. You have to write all the questions in your classwork too. Okay, then this one, guess me. You have to guess who is who. Okay, you can see me in search center. You can see me in search center. Which type of computer we see in search centers? Mini computer. Okay, mini computer. I do a lot of manipulation in weather forecast. Okay, in weather forecast every day in news we see weatherman will come and tell about the weather. Okay, today we'll have a rain, we won't have a rain, we'll have a bright sun. Okay, very hot season we are going to have. So these are all for with the help of which computer, with the help of they are doing all the jobs, supercomputer. Okay, they get a help from supercomputer and they forecast the weather. Okay, then I am used at hospital. Which computer? Mainframe computer. Okay, I am used at hospital. Which computer? Mainframe computers are used. Okay, I am a palm top computer. I am a palm top computer. So what is the answer? Palm top computer only the answer. Okay, palm top computer, palm top only the answer. I am used at office. Which computers are used in office? Microcomputers. Okay, microcomputers are used in office. Okay, so microcomputers are the right answer. Okay, then we will move on to the next slide. Write the type of computer used in the following area. Okay, in the previous session I have taught you all everything, where it is used and which type of computer it is used. Okay, research center. What type of computer used in research center? In research center you can see mini computers are used. Okay, see here, mini computers are used. Okay, then the next one, in the next one you can see hospital. Okay, in hospital which type of computers are used? In the previous slide you can see in hospital. The third one is mainframe computer. Okay, mainframe computer. So what we have to write here? Mainframe computer. Okay, then the third one, automobile design and development. Okay, designing and development. Any official purpose we can use only mainframe computers. Okay, mainframe computers only used. Then in the school, okay, schools and colleges, both we can use microcomputer. Okay, microcomputers are used in schools and colleges. So I left it blank purposely because I want to know how you understood, how much you have understood. Okay, so if you would have understood well, then you would be writing the right answer. Okay, then we will that's all for this session. Up to this our session gets end. Okay, Here in the book back exercises, you have to write only the question answers in your classwork. Okay, write only the question answers in your classwork and submit. And these two lessons are important for your examination. These two portions would be taken as questions. Okay, questions and other exercises would be considered as questions, okay, in the exam. So do practice. How often you see the videos, that much it will stick in your mind. Okay, so if you are not able to sit in one place and study, at least see the video again and again. Okay, now we have come to the end of the session. We will meet in the next class, kids. Okay, bye.